In this video, I will show you how you can fix if the camera is not working on your Oppo phone. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just go to your home screen and perform a restart on your smartphone. For that, just press and hold the power button on your Oppo phone. But if the power button of your Oppo phone is set to launch the digital assistant, just press the power button and the volume up button at the same time. And after you do that, you will open the power menu. And from here, just swipe up and select restart. And once your phone finishes restarting, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just follow the next method. For that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just look for the option for Apps. Then just tap on it, and from here, just tap on App Management. Now from this list, just look for the Camera app. After you find the Camera app, then just tap on it, and go to the Storage section. Now just select Clear Data. Tap on Delete. After you do that, then just go back to the main settings page, and from here just search this. Tap on software version, and from here just check if you have any software update available or not. If you have any update available, just update the software of your Oppo phone. And after that, just check if your issue has been fixed or not. Now as you can see, our issue has been fixed. But for an example, if your issue is still not fixed, then just go to your home screen and open the control center on your Oppo phone. And from here, just look for an option which says Sensors Off. Now, if you find this option, just turn it off, because when this feature is enabled, and if you go to your home screen, you will notice that the camera and all the other sensors like the microphone are not working, because simply this is a feature which disables all the sensors of your smartphone. So just turn off this feature, and you will notice that the camera has started working again on your Oppo phone. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.